so much, 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 so much.
What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Air Max 1 Premium in this blueprint colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I find them very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So these Air Max 1s released on Air Max Day, March 26th, and they released alongside two other Air Max 1s, each of which were regional exclusives. So this pair in my hand was exclusive only to North America, and they dropped for a price of $160 US or $210 here in Canada. The colorway for this shoe is white, Dutch blue, and dark marina blue, and the nickname of the shoe, Blueprint, is a nod to the fact that the Air Max 1 provided the blueprint for sneaker design, style, and culture when it dropped back in 1987. So to be perfectly transparent with you guys, when Nike first announced that they're dropping those 3 regional exclusive Air Max 1s, I was kinda underwhelmed. I thought the Wabi Sabi pair was pretty dope, but I wasn't a big fan of the La Ville Lumiere or the European exclusive pair, and I also thought this Blueprint one was a little bit basic as well. But like is the case with a lot of shoes, these definitely grew on me once I got them in hand. So diving straight into the details, for the most part this is constructed like your basic Air Max 1. So on the toe box we have this white colored mesh, and surrounding the front toe cap, we have this blue colored suede or nubuck-like material, and embroidered on the lateral side, we have a dark blue mini swoosh. Surrounding the U-throw area of the shoe right above this, we have this tumbled blue colored leather, and that blue suede runs down the bottom of the length of the shoe, serving as a mudguard. Above this, on the quarter panel, we have this off-white colored flat suede or nubuck, and above this we have another hit of that light blue colored leather, and the top 2 eyelets are constructed out of this darker blue colored TPU. Stitched on top of the quarter panel, the lateral swoosh here has this grid-like pattern to it, but it almost looks like they took a crayon and colored on top of it. In contrast, on the medial side, the swoosh here is done in this translucent TPU material and has this grid-like pattern to it. Surrounding the top portion of the ankle collar area, we have this tumbled white colored leather, and then wrapping around the heel we have more of that flat suede material, and embroidered on the back we have Nike Air branding, and we have this image of a globe debossed on top. For the laces, so these come with 2 different lace options. So the standard default lace is a flat style lace in this blue color, but they also give you a secondary white colored lace as well. Underneath this, we have this full leather tongue which is done in this white colored finish, and replacing the traditional nylon tag, we have this translucent tag on top with Nike Air Max branding. So the back of the tongue and the inner liner of the shoe is lined in this light blue colored textile. And then as for the insoles, these come with a foam padded insole, and we have this custom graphic on the heel, which shows you the different parts of the Air Max 1, which is followed by the outline of Oregon, which is where Nike is headquartered. And then underneath this, we have the outline of the states, followed by an outline of the world. So the upper of the Air Max 1 sits atop this full-length polyurethane foam midsole. The midsole is painted in this sail or off-white colored finish, and underneath the heel we have this cutout, which reveals the air sole unit that's found within the midsole for cushioning. But fun fact, the air unit itself is actually glow in the dark, which is a nice added touch. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, so the outsole here is constructed out of this semi-translucent blue colored rubber. Just like the air bubble itself, this outsole is also glow in the dark, and as for the traction pattern, it's just the same as all your other Air Max 1s, so we have this waffle style traction pattern on the forefoot, along with Nike Air branding down the heel. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Blueprint Air Max 1s. And for those wondering about sizing, so generally speaking, I wear between a 10 to a 10.5 in the Air Max 1. I consider myself to be a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like recent Air Max 1s have fit much more true to size, and when I compare the fit to some of my older Air Max 1s, in my opinion, I felt like the older versions felt a little bit more snug than the current versions. So I felt like true to size fit me perfectly. Even if you have wider feet, I don't think you need to go up a half a size for this specific pair. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so these feel like any of your other Air Max 1s. So with that said, they're going to feel okay for just everyday casual use, but it's not necessarily a shoe I consider to be that comfortable. The technology, once again, is very outdated. It is from 1987, and the step-in comfort, while it's not bad, it's not the best either. So if you're someone that normally enjoys the feeling of the Air Max 1 on foot, then you'll probably like these, but if you find them uncomfortable normally, then you'll probably think these ones are also uncomfortable too. Last but not least, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so I thought the material quality on this pair was pretty decent. I thought it was definitely a step up from the general release Air Max 1s on the market. And the overall build on the shoe I thought was pretty solid as well. The only issue I had was the toe box shape. I thought it had a little bit of that cliff toe look, and it wasn't nearly as sleek or as slanted as most Air Max 1 purists want. But if you can overlook the whole toe box issue, I think this all in all is just a solid Air Max 1 from Nike. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look.
So much, so much, so much, so much, so much, so much, so much.
All in all, while I think this is a very clean colorway, I think it'll look great in the spring and the summer season, a part of me still feels like this is a little bit underwhelming considering this is supposed to be the big Air Max Day release. In past Air Max days, we've gotten either some really incredible retros or some brand new takes on Air Max silhouettes, and I think this one just doesn't live up to that standard. And I don't know how you guys feel about the whole regional exclusive thing. I guess in one sense it brings back the whole hunt or the chase that a lot of Air Max collectors had to deal with back in the day, but I still think the Wabi Sabi colorway was the best of the three, so it would have been nice if I was able to grab those here locally. Anyways though, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this Blueprint Air Max 1? Of the three pairs that dropped, which of the three is your favorite? And what are your thoughts on the whole regional exclusive drop model? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.